intelligence. Small cubes of 7050 aluminum alloy are analyzed by a sophisticated optical emission spectrometer.
Based on the NDT data, color-coded markers ensure strict adherence to the process separation lock.
Wing box materials routed left. Airfoil sections moving right. All systems nominal.
The newly forged wing box undergoes high-pressure washing to eliminate contaminants before the precision milling process begins.
Atmosphere consistency lock confirmed. We are cleared for airfoil contouring.
The 5-ax machining ensures the supercritical airfoil shaping, achieving a nanometer surface roughness.
Focusing on the non-destructive testing phase, the robotic gantry scans the newly closed wing box structure.
Pressure stabilizing at 500 kilopascal.
Temperature cycling is nominal. Check the strain gauges on section 4.
The deviation map confirms it. We are within microns of the CAD model.
Excellent. The structural geometry is flawless.
Alignment confirmed.
Hydraulic pressure is stable. We are green for transport.
As the heavy machining bays are cleared, we move to the precise environment of Process B, preparing the supercritical airfoil for the Y-20 Kunpeng.
Alignment holding steady at 1 micron.
Joint integrity is at 99.9. Confirmed.
Laser alignment shows perfect positioning.
Confirmed. The supercritical shape is preserved. Structural integrity confirmed across the panel.
Data looks good. We are within tolerance.
Check the seam right here on product B.
Confirmed. Logging it now.
As the Kunpeng accelerates, the precision-machined Product B surfaces enable this heavy transport to efficiently achieve flight speed.
The airflow over the wing surface is visualized by subtle heat distortions, confirming laminar flow characteristics.
The Kunpeng supercritical airfoil demonstrates remarkable efficiency. The optimized shape significantly reduces the wingtip vortex, minimizing induced drag.
Check the efficiency metrics on panel B.
Stable parameters confirmed, Captain. Fuel burn is optimized.
The successful landing marks the safe conclusion of the strategic transport mission, emphasizing the reliability of the finished products.
Structural integrity confirmed on all major points.
The airfoil shaping is holding up perfectly. No signs of stress.
Check the readings on panel 7.
Looks good from here. All systems green.
Confirmed. Moving to the next section.
The Kunpeng's supercritical airfoil panels endure the harsh environment, showcasing the longevity of the wing structure.
Aircraft is stopped. Bring the truck forward.
Copy that, moving up.
Preparing the connection point now.
The supercritical airfoil design delivered exceptional stability. Fuel economy was better than projected.
And the long-haul capability.
The supercritical airfoil design minimizes skin friction drag, a testament to the precision achieved during the shaping phases of manufacturing. The Y-20 relies heavily on the precise control of the supercritical airfoil panels. As the wing absorbs the turbulence,
The wing's stable lift profile, designated Product B,